Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to change the screen lock on any Oppo phone. Now, if you want to change the screen lock on your Oppo phone, first of all, just open Settings, then tap on Security and Privacy. And from here, you will find the option of Device Unlock. Just tap on it, then tap on Screen Lock. Now just enter your current lock screen PIN, and from here you will be able to change your screen lock. Now you can use the current lock and you can change the password, or you can select any of the other options like an alphanumeric password or a pattern. For now, I will select pattern. Now just enter your current lock screen PIN. Now just create your new pattern, then enter your pattern one more time to confirm your pattern. Now if you want to enroll your fingerprint, just tap on enable, otherwise you can tap on cancel. Now if you go to your lock screen, as you can see, we have successfully changed the screen lock password on our smartphone. And this is how you can change the screen lock on any Oppo phone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.